Hello, my name is Ashley Hobart. I'm a medical assistant for Any Lab Test Now. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on adding a new patient to the lab testing portal. This process is very simple and we start here on the main lab testing page. On the top left-hand corner there is a button that reads Add Lab Test, and we're going to select this button. From here you can see that the date has been pre-filled and we're going to input the donor's date of birth, and then select Check New or Existing Customer. If there's another patient with the same date of birth, you can select that patient or select the option that will allow you to add a new patient. Assuming that no current patients share this birth date, you'll be redirected to the Add Lab Test screen. The date and date of birth have both been pre-filled. The next section is the Physician section. Now you can see that under the drop-down menu for physicians, no doctor is the default. If they're coming from a doctor's office, you can select this doctor's name from the drop-down menu if it has been previously added. Or, to add a new doctor, you can simply select Add New, input the physician's name, fax, and phone, and hit Save. Next, we're going to put the patient's first name, last name, phone number. Then we're going to select the lab that the test is going to. The number of days correlates to how long we usually have to wait before test results come back from the lab that we've selected. For example, results from a Therotech can take up to 5 days, whereas results from LabCorp or Quest can take 2 days. If we're doing STD testing, we'll also select the STD testing box. Next, we'll input the street address, select the city, the state, zip code, fax number if applicable, email address, and then we'll select how the patient would like to review their results. Please note that if the patient is doing STD or HIV testing, the results can only be viewed online by the patient or picked up in person. For any other testing, the patient can be called, emailed, they can pick up their results, we can send the results through US mail, fax, online, or we can fax them to their physician. Next, we will input any notes that we have regarding this patient, and as long as all of the information we've put in is correct, we will select Save. After saving, we are redirected to the main lab testing page where we can see that our new patient information has been added to the top of the screen. This is how we add a new patient to the lab testing portal.